Hey, you might be tired of swallowing pills for supplements or chewing on sugary gummies. And so I want to tell you about these transdermal patches. These are B12 plus, and they're by VytaDose, and they did send these to me as a gift so that I could try them out and then tell you about them. But I'm actually no stranger to VytaDose. I have used their patches before and I really like them. So let me tell you about this one. This is the B12 plus, and they don't just have, here's what they look like. They don't just have vitamin B12. There's other B vitamins in these, as well as a little bit of caffeine. And so if you've read up on the benefits of B12, you'll know that caffeine goes naturally with that really easily and is a good combination. So what you're going to want to do is pick a clean, dry spot. Try to pick a spot that doesn't have any hair, no lotions or oils or anything like that, because you really want it to stick to your skin good. And so I'm just going to take one patch here. You just peel it off like so. And I'm just going to put mine right there. Real easy. That's all there is to it. So you put it on in the morning. I got sun here. Put it on in the morning, take it off like 8-ish hours later, and you get a whole 1 month supply in this one package. And then it's got the zippered top to keep them fresh. So these are nice. Like I said, I'm no stranger to VytaDose. I love this brand, and I love doing supplements in the patch form. So thanks. So I will link these down in the description for you so you can go get them yourself. And hey, if you have used patches to get your supplements for the day, please put it down in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please hit subscribe.